How to create a demo account in IC markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to create a demo account and practice trading without risking real money in IC markets, here's how you do it. First of all, download and launch open the IC Markets application on your device and make sure that you're inside this welcome screen. From here, tap on Try a Free Demo button and then you need to fill in this personal details form. Enter your country of residence in the first field and then enter your first name as shown in your ID. Now enter your last name on the next field. Now enter a valid email address you want to create an account with. Enter your phone number on the next field. Once you do that, click on Submit. Now check your email inbox for login details. Open the email from IC Markets. You'll be able to see your username. To log into your secure client area, click on this Secure Client Area option, select a browser, and then create a password for your account on the next page. After you are done entering the password, go to the next field and re-enter the password once again. Finally, click Continue. Now click Login and then enter your email and password in the respective text boxes. Finally, click Login. Now, you can use the same login credential in your IC Markets app as well. So there you have it. That is how you create a demo account in IC Markets. The next step you can do is to complete your verification process to unlock full account access. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.